This is CHINT's Global Intelligent Fulfillment Center, a 12,000 square meter future-ready and smart logistics hub. With 8,000 square meter already in action and more than 8,000 storage locations. Automated guided vehicles, shuttle cars, and robotic arms operate in perfect sync. Every operation, from indoor to outdoor, is optimized for speed and accuracy. The goods are automatically stored and depalletized. Labels, scans, and vision checks ensure everything is spot on. Finally, intelligent sorting stacks them neatly onto pallets. Packing is fully automated, from strapping and stacking to secure wrapping. Every step is streamlined to ensure speed, consistency, and reliable delivery. But intelligence goes beyond automation. It's about creating a smarter, greener way to operate. Guided by CHINT's ESG vision, the center brings together digital intelligence and clean energy, boosting efficiency, cutting waste, and driving sustainability in every move. The center integrates a 20 kWp solar plus storage system, powering carports, emergency pumps, streetlights, and security posts with clean energy. Surplus energy is reused to cut costs and lower our carbon footprint. Employees benefit too. They enjoy convenient EV charging during commutes, reflecting CHINT's commitment to a better, more responsible workplace. Launched in early 2024, the system has already delivered meaningful impact, powering operations and cutting emissions through clean energy. On the rooftop, distributed solar panels deliver stable green power to support daily operations. They also extend roof lifespan, cool indoor spaces, and create a more comfortable work environment. Since May 2025, rooftop solar panels have been powering the center with clean energy, reducing carbon, cutting costs, and making each delivery a little greener. Looking ahead, with sustainability as our foundation, we're planning to scale and replicate our logistics capacity globally. From this smart, sustainable hub, our products will set off across the world, connecting every delivery with intelligence. CHINT Global Intelligent Fulfillment Center, leading smart logistics, powering the future.